some of the popular tools, in fact, and how they are used in the industry. So clearly ChatGPT or GPT-4 from OpenAI is the elephant in the room, followed by image generating models, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. Given a prompt, they can generate very beautiful images or illustrations. You got GitHub Copilot from Microsoft, which can help programmers deliver huge snippets of codes, chunks of code by simple prompting. DALL-E 3 is another image generating model from OpenAI. Adobe has built generative AI capabilities into all their products. And finally, you got newer companies like DID creating realistic video avatars. Synthesia is another one. And finally, Runway.ml, which can allow you to create videos from text. Let's look at some of the emerging patterns for application architecture. And I thought this could be a useful addition to the CTO community. So in here is a reference application architecture diagram from Google, and it essentially shows the flow of information. Beginning from the left-hand side, you begin with the inputs prompt, which also has some context, and which also maybe is requesting a chain of thought, step-by-step reasoning. All the inputs go through the responsible AI layer, which are responsible for gatekeeping the inputs coming in as well as the outputs going out. So at the input stage, it can secure the data, the models, and the code, and make sure that all of this is accessed in a very secure environment. Next is the retrieval layer, from where you could do embed information in your own private databases, and then do vector searches over them to retrieve the information. So embedding and retrieval could be another layer. Finally, the serving, and there could be foundation models, other smaller existing models, and fine-tuned models. Like an ecosystem or a network of models which can respond based on the prompt or based on the task at hand. The output of these models can go to a couple of layers. They can go to the React layer, which can plan, reason, and act iteratively, working with the models. And once the model produces the output, that can go into an eval layer, where you can actually ground the output, check the output, have another model verify whether the information is correct or not. And while all this is taking place, LLM ops layers are constantly working behind the scenes, monitoring, logging, and managing all of this information flowing through the various layers. And the final output can again go back to the responsible AI layer, where it can be moderated, bias can be removed or detected, and also a number of safety attributes could be determined, thereby resulting in safe, grounded output to the end user.